Here on the screen, we have a table. We want to insert an appropriate title to the table. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our mouse. I'm going to come up to row 1. We're going to right click. We're going to go to insert. And there we have a row inserted. Now here in cell 1, I'm going to type an appropriate title for my table. So I'm going to write car repair spreadsheet. Enter. Now what I want to do, I want to merge and center this title that I typed a while ago, and that is car repair spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my mouse to select the range from A1 through to F1. Right, so again, I'm going to merge and center the title, car repair spreadsheet. Then I use my mouse and I come up to this, I go up, make sure that the tab, home tab is selected. Then I'm going to come across to the merge and center option here. I'm going to click on it, and this is how you would merge and center the appropriate label that I give to my table.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.